Hello and welcome to a new edition here at the Austria Shooting Channel. Today I am in Hohenzell in Upper Austria at the shooting center. We will start our test series on the Tippmann M4-22. The Tippmann small caliber rifle is built in the classic AR-15 format and, in my opinion, is one of the best small caliber rifles on the market that can currently be found. And today we are starting with the test series, with the precision series at 25 meters.
The test series we are starting today is conducted with a Tippmann M4-22 in Generation 3 with a barrel length of 16 inches. The device shown is the version approved in Austria. Minor modifications have been made to the weapon itself to meet our sporting requirements. The trigger has been replaced with a UHL match trigger, and the stock is now a CTR stock. Additionally, a small compensator has been installed at the muzzle. The M4-22 has been visually enhanced with an OD green paint job. The test ammunition used today comes from various manufacturers and is fired at a distance of 25 meters. But now, let's switch to Werner, who is currently at the shooting range in the Schießzentrum Innviertel in Hohenzell.
Okay, right now we are going to test the Top Shot Sport SV on a distance of 25 meters. Let's have a look how they perform in the Tippmann.
In the first series with the Top Shot bullets, no shooting rest was used, so this test series had to be repeated.
Top shot was quite impressive. The group is very tight, so I would say it's the size of a cent piece. So right now looks promising. The first one was without the sandbag, so this was because the rifle was not stabilized.
Let's switch to the next bullets from Magtech.
Die Magtech läuft super aus.
Since we had an outlier in the first round with the Magtech ammunition, we intended to initiate a second run to achieve an even better result. But things took a different turn.
The second round doesn't catch me so far, but let's see. The others, we have a few rounds to go. Let's take a closer look to the Eli Force ammunition. I personally shoot this in all of my competition. Yeah, let's see how the accuracy is of this ammo.
The shot group itself looked quite good, but intentionally disappointed, we prepared ourselves for a second run.
Neue Runde, neues Glück. IPSC ist die zweite. You see, the second group is much tighter. I had a different position, had the rifle good in my shoulders, and so there is no body movement considered in the hits. So the second group looks really good for me.
For the next round, we now have the Eli ammunition in the contact variant. The LA contact is noticeably milder compared to the LA Force, making the recoil a bit more comfortable.
Yeah, perfect. So also the Eli contact is doing a very excellent job. The group is very tight. Yeah, for a sport shooter looks very promising as well. So the next group we are doing with the Gecko semi-auto ammunition. Yeah, let's have a look. It's designed for rifle and pistol as well. Yeah, let's see the result there. So right now, this is the Gecko semi-auto. Looks not promising for me because the group is too big, not tight enough for precision shooting. Yeah, it's not my preferred ammunition in this case. I would choose a different if I go on a competition.
Now, we present to you an ammunition that pleasantly surprised us in terms of precision, the Norma TAC 22 LR.
Also the Norma TAC is doing a quite well job. The one shot was my fault, but the rest of the group is really excellent, I would say.
The next ammunition comes from Federal and is a 40 grain ammunition. Let's see how it compares.
Surprisingly, the Federal is not very tight in the groups. Yeah, for competitive shooting, I wouldn't recommend that.
Now let's give the CCI Minimag ammunition a chance and see what it delivers.
So also the CCI Minimag is doing a quite well job. Yeah, it's very tight groups, looks promising as well, I would say.
Also from CCI, we have now prepared the Velocitor with 40 grains in the magazine for the test.
So the group of the CCI Velocitor is also not that one as I expected. It's very broad. Yeah, not my favorite one. Agila Super Extra 40 grain ammunition. Let's have a look into this. Also the Agila Super Extreme does a quite well job. The group is very tight and it's also considered for competitions.
In the final round of the test series, we are using ammunition from Schönebeck, the SK Standard Plus.
Last but not least, the SK Standard Plus. It's a very broad group, not tight enough for me for shooting this ammunition during competition.
The result of each test has surprised us as well. However, let's take a closer look at the shot patterns once again in detail. To illustrate the scale, it should be noted that a square on the target corresponds to dimensions of 10 by 10 millimeters. The test results speak for themselves, and it was a neck-and-neck race at times. Ultimately, however, the favorites have become clear. In first place, and thus the winner of the test, is the Norm Attack 22 LR. The second place is shared by the CCI Minimag and the Aguila Super Extra. The third place is secured by the Elay ammunition with the Contact and Force variants. For all other tested types of ammunition, we would advise against using them in demanding precision competitions. If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription to our YouTube channel.